Hey there, so I'm making this video if your resistance or the incline is not working, because there was this post on Reddit that a person just wrote here that it very likely need a new control board. Control board failures are even more likely if you leave your system powered on, but really they are the most common point of failure. And the person who had the problem with the s15i, the resistance incline stopped measuring the wattage from the pedals. The screen works fine, even said it has increased the resistance, but it has not. And here he just wrote here that it was the control board. So what you want to look on, there is this site called the Treadmill Doctor, and you want to look here when you're gonna write here for the control board. But primarily you want to actually check based on your model. You can even like write to the chat support, so they're going to like recommend it to you which one you need for your like which one exactly you need based on your model of s15i. So write them down, and maybe this is going to help you fix the issue. Maybe not. I'm just like throwing out ideas what actually help to others, so you're gonna get more information. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.